The company started out predominantly in more of a residential sector, producing a lot of aluminum soffit and decorative rental systems for storefronts back in the early 80s.
ATAS International is a leading manufacturer of metal roofs and wall systems.
Here is a quick glance at some of the machinery used at the ATAS facility.
I'm seeing a trend going towards thicker gauge material versus our lighter gauge. So we're going to heavier metals and even insulated metal wall panel systems.
People buy metal roofing and other supplies from ATAS for the quality and their product's longevity.
You're going to put that roof on one time and not have to replace it over the lifespan of that building.
This is the new hands-free machine, the Yearn.
Currently today, we're still quite engaged in the commercial roofing side as well as the residential roof side of the business, but we've had a lot of growth in the exterior cladding element of buildings.
From the beginning, ATAS has contributed to and supported the Let's Build Camp for Girls.
For girls that are ages 12 through 18, so we're looking at middle and high school age girls, and to give them an opportunity for a whole week to learn about various aspects of design and construction.
If you want to learn more about ATAS, go check out their website at atasinternational.com.